What is up, 7th grade? This is lesson 67. Our objective is to learn about geometric solids. First of all, the definition of a geometric solid is that it just takes up space. So think about anything in the room, like your chair, the table, a ball, cereal box, whatever it may be. That is a geometric solid. So it just needs to take up three-dimensional space. Technically, even like your piece of paper that you're going to do homework on would be a geometric solid because it has some thickness to it. But here's some like general ones that we're used to seeing. A sphere is a geometric solid. A cylinder where it has two circles as the bases. A cone that has a circle and it comes up to a point. A cube, a triangular prism, pyramid. There's obviously more than this, but this is technically a square pyramid. These are just some basic ideas of some geometric solids. Now, inside the geometric solid family, there is a subfamily called polyhedrons. Now, polyhedron is made up of polygons, meaning the sides of this, or the faces of each of your shapes, is a polygon. Remember, polygons have straight edges, don't overlap, and are closed. So in our examples up here, a cube is a polyhedron because it's made up of all squares, which are polygons. This triangular prism is a polyhedron, and so is this square pyramid. So these three here are polyhedrons, whereas these ones are not, because this is made up of a circle and a rectangle, which is not, a circle is not a polygon. So these are not polyhedrons, these ones over here are. Now, on every polyhedron has a face, edges, and a vertex, or vertices if you want to say plural. So a face is just like the flat surface, right? Like the flat side, like part of a plane, like a piece of paper. Whereas an edge is where two surfaces meet, like this is an edge, or it's a part of a line. Just think of a line. And then the vertex or vertices are where three or more edges meet. So here's where 1, 2, 3 edges meet right here at the corners. So it's a point. So think of the corners of it we call vertices. Vertices are a vertex, edges, faces. So there's a couple different kinds of polyhedrons. There's a prism, which has two bases that are parallel to each other and then connected with rectangles or parallelograms. Pyramids has just one base and then it all comes to a single point, and its sides are triangles of some kind. So it's a pyramid versus a prism. So let's look at this prism right here and find out how many faces this prism has. Well, it has this triangle here and this one here, so that's two. Has this rectangle right here, has this back rectangle right there, and it has the bottom one. So how many faces does it have? It has 5. How many edges it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the vertices, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. On this pyramid over here, the number of faces it has the 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, and this one here, 4, and it has the base. So it has 5 faces. The number of edges is 1, 2, 3, and that back one, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. And then your number of vertices is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we'll try one more just to kind of get us going here. It says, find the surface area of a cube with side lengths of 5 inches. Now when we talk about the surface area, we're talking about the area of all of the polygons that make up the shape. So if we're talking about a cube, we're going to be talking about something like this. Right? If we were to unfold that, there would be 6 sides that are all squares. Not exact, but you can deal with it. And it says that the side lengths of 5 inches. Now, since it's a cube, we know it's all made out of squares, and all of these side lengths are going to be the same. and all of them are 5 inches. So what I need to do is I need to find the area of one of these, and then I have 6 of those, 6 squares, so I can then just multiply it by 6 to find the area of the whole thing. So the area of one square is going to be 5 inches by 5 inches. So the area of one of them is going to be 25 inches squared. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to say 6 times the 25 inches squared. And my area, the surface area, is going to be 150 inches squared. Your homework, if you haven't seen it already, is down here at the bottom. It's on page 476. You need the practice set, all the 67s, which I think there's just one of those, and then one more of your choice. And yes, that's right, there's only 15 this time for homework. Good luck, guys.